haven't you played? Thank you. 1, 2, 3. What number is this? After 3.
1.
No, 4.
Number
4.
5.
5. Now put them back in there and count them. As you put them back in there, say 1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4. What number was that?
Number 6. Look. Check it out. Look, check it out. Look, check it out. Look, check it out. Check it out.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know either. What letter is that? Can you go put them back for Cree Cree? Please? You'll put them back? Thank you.
I'm going to drop them.
You're going to drop them? No, you're not.
you did that on purpose.